Are you rolling?
I'm rolling, baby.
All right. Bring that back here while I ramble like a dope. What's up, people? We're out here again trying to fix this waterfall over a pool full of water. And so we're mixing up concrete now. We're going to fill it up. But this is what we built to then receive all our new concrete so we can create this whole thing over again. So as you can see, we've epoxied steel in around the perimeter as much as we were able. Put diamond lath behind so we can get concrete around the steel. Again, that's giving us our strength. We've demoed off this whole big weir and we're basically re-pouring it and crisscrossed. We're going into the side. We added new ones all the way across there. Those are well epoxied in, so we got a lot of structural strength on there. And then the pegboard goes on, and then we just pour it on top of the pegboard, and then the pegboard we take off. And then we're ready to go with the final texture coat. So there you go. We are continuing to proceed with the waterfall weir repair. Rocking out as always. Keep on trucking. We'll see you next time, and be happy. It's more fun being happy. You know it. Bye.